Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 118 scale video, and today I have something that is not expensive. As you can see, more max. It is the 1932 Ford Coupe. It's a pretty simple model, nothing too crazy or special about it, but it is still a cool model, and there's not many of these type of models out there, like these hot rods, so it is still cool to get whatever you can. And here's the full list of stuff you can find from this, look for our 118 collection from Mormax. So do a quick shuffle. You can I'll move it and you can pause if you want to check anything out. And yeah, let's get it out and check it out. So the door is opening for some reason, but okay. So let's see how many screws I'm dealing with here. 2. Okay, that is super easy, simple and easy. So let's see if I can do it quick enough. Yeah, you'll just have to look at my mat, which I'm hoping to actually change someday for the bigger scale cars, since I use it for every scale models to film at least. So I guess we'll see what I can come up with in the future. Oh, I noticed that it has an extra platform on the bottom since it's so high off the. I'll need a bigger screwdriver for that. Let's see if this will fit. Okay, I need to find a new screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with it off the double base. Apparently, what it was. Notice that this door is slightly loose. I'd have to take it apart and screw down the strength of the door handle. But the model itself is fantastic. I think. Well, not it is more max, so it's as fantastic as it can be. It has this separate piece for the hood, but it does not come off. So I never figured it out. I didn't want to break it, so I never figured out how to get this off. But I've seen pictures like where this model's been sold without this hood. So it is, you can take it off somehow, but how, I don't know, and I don't want to break it. There is an engine underneath there. I am pretty sure of that. As you can see from the bottom, there's. I thought first it's these two screws, but it's not. At least I don't think they are. Plus this one is. I don't know how to even get to this one because it has the steering column right there. So I'm not quite sure how does that work. It has suspension for the back wheels, at least, as you can see. It has springs in down there. You can see it moves. So that is pretty nice. The back details aren't, for the lights aren't very good. So they're just plastic bits which are painted. Don't remember the back open or not. I think it did. Or it didn't. No, it doesn't. So there's no gaps in the middle. The doors open the original ways. I have seen hot rods that open the doors like in the opposite direction. I think they're called the suicide doors or something like that. The interior is pretty basic. You got your couch, seat in there. Your basically just a steering wheel, shifter, pedals in the bottom, and your indicators and stuff like that. Like gauges, I mean, not indicators. And a mirror at the middle and one on the side. It's not too detailed. It's pretty simple. I don't know why it's facing so much inwards, but I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to touch it. For the front, it has steering. As you can see, it steers with all the fenders. Got your lensed headlights. And that is basically all I can show. There's nothing much more to show, unless I want to show the rolling, and the rolling is very, very good, actually. So there you have it. Little Ford hot rod. So yeah, Nothing more I can really tell or show. License plate Michigan. I don't know why my models have the Michigan license plates, but it is what it is. It is, of course, die-cast metal top, plastic base, rubber tires. What else? A lot of bits and bobs everywhere. That's basically it. Like I said, there's nothing much you can do on these bigger scale cars anyway. So I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.